Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the beauty uses of rice water. Rice water is amazing. So I'm gonna show you how you can use rice water for your beauty purpose. So but before we go, I'm gonna show you first the two ways that you can make rice water, and then we're gonna jump to how you can use rice water. But first of all, before you go, hit that red button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so you won't miss any video that I post. And don't forget to hit the notification button also, so you'll be notified every time I post my video. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So to begin with, you need rice, and it can be any kind of rice, brown, white, but it has to be organic. So once you have your rice, just rinse it off and pour it in a bowl with water and leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take that water off and put it in a glass container and save it in a refrigerator for a week. And there you go. Now you have your fermented rice water. Very easy to make. That's the first step. The second one is, the second way to make rice water is to boil rice. And once you see that it's almost cooked, you just take it off and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until it cools off, and then pour the rice water and then put it in a jar, in a glass jar container, and save it in a refrigerator for 7 days. And that's it. There you go. So now you have dilute and fermented rice water. So now that you know how to make your rice water, let's go to the beauty uses of rice water. Use rice water as face toner for sun protection and anti-age. Rice water is good to tone your face and balance your pH. It also gives you a small amount of sun protection, but this one, make sure you use the dilute rice water, otherwise it can be thick and sticky in your face. Using rice water as a face mask for glowy skin and also reduce hyperpigmentation. You can use rice water as the liquid ingredient on your any facial mask you're using. You can mix it to make it even more beneficial for your skin brightening, anti-aging, and moisturizing property. So after you do this, guys, your skin will be glowing. Like it makes your skin soft, it makes your skin like alive again. He reduces all the hyperpigmentation that you have in your skin. And it also, if you have like an acne scarf like me, for example, I struggle a lot with acne, like this, guys, really clean my face completely. Like I feel like I have a new face, like new skin. And this you have to do it, you have to be consistent for you to see the results. You do like this, you leave it for 10 minutes and then take it out, and now you have a glowy skin. You can see the difference already on my skin. My skin is glowing and I'm super happy. So try this, you won't be disappointed. Use rice water to minimize your pores. So what do you do basically? Pour it into your ice cube tray and keep it in a refrigerator. Once you have the ice cube rice water, what do? You just rub it into your face, and at any time in the morning, at night, whatever, it's gonna tight your pores and give your face a glowy look and happy and bright. This is amazing tools if you are going for an event or somewhere very special, and your skin will be glowing like a baby, and everybody will notice this. Trust me, it's a good thing to do. You don't have to keep it for a long time. For 10 minutes, you're ready to go. You can also use rice water to treat skin condition. Okay guys, sometimes skin condition can be very painful, especially eczema. So all you need to do, a fermented rice water. All you need to do is pour it in the area affected and leave it on until it dries out, and then pour it again. It's instantly soothing and calm your skin. Like it won't itch anymore. And if you continue to do this, you will see that your skin will improve tremendously. Use rice water to treat sunburn and remove suntan. especially when you mix it together with aloe vera gel. It's gonna calm the sunburn and remove suntan instantly. It makes the healing process faster. You can use this to your child at home, to anybody. This process is very good. Alright guys, use fermented rice water as a rinse to your hair after shampoo and conditioner. It's so beneficial. And you leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and rinse it off, and this will give your hair shiny, soft, manageable and strong hair. It will promote hair growth and treat dandruff. Okay, you can definitely substitute your face and your body wash with rice water. Use fermented rice water, and it can be a little smelly, but the benefits are so high. It leaves your skin soft, beautiful, just like a baby. Last but not least, you can use rice water as a refreshing spray. Just carry your rice water spray bottle and refresh yourself once in a while. It gives you that fresh look through the day. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please share with friends and family, and don't forget, like I said, don't forget to hit that red button. It's free to subscribe to my channel, and please turn on your notification button so you'll be notified every time I post my video. Again, thank you so much again for your support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.